I should have made it automatic entry for people, but I didn't. I don't know why. But anyway, we're open now. And yo, Oshin, how are you?
Hi, Gwenga. I'm good.
The big man.
I'm trying to be like you.
If I hear, listen, don't even start. But I was going to say, okay, did you respond to the last conversation I sent you? The message I sent you?
Let me check. That's on Telegram.
Yes, on Telegram. And guys, we are.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. I didn't check.
I did.
I get so many conversations on my phone. Well, so
yeah, I said it's fine. I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I get so many conversations on my phone that sometimes I have to scroll every other time just to make sure people are responding. Because I've got some which are pinned as very important at the top. Okay, guys, we are open. And what's everyone trading today? Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame is a runner. I should pin a few on the side. So if anybody wants to join me, feel free. If anyone's got and if everyone's got something for me to share, to have a look, please, let's do it. Okay. If the noise is from your end, please mute yourself. Oh, I can mute everybody actually. Muted everybody. Okay, guys, what are you looking at? What are you trading? I've just found one, HOFV. Guys, be careful jumping on the moving rockets. Okay. Wow, I thought today is it's going to be a good day. The Dow bounced back a little bit, but what's Nasdaq saying? Oh yeah, okay. Today's different. AGRI, CARV again. CARV. Right, CARV is making another run, my people. So problem is the market's just open. So can we tell if there's a bit of life in this? Oshin, what are you trading today? Oh, I should let you guys unmute yourselves actually, because otherwise you cannot respond to me. Okay, so you can unmute yourselves. Oshin, what are you trading today, buddy?
Yeah, okay, so I'm not trading today, but I'm taking a good look at AMC and I'm being tempted to get in again. And even if it's 1% or 2%, I'm out.
Which one?
AMC.
Oh, AMC. AMC.
Yeah. So even if it's 1% or 2%, I'm out. Like that's what I'm looking at now.
I hope your guys know that you are your guys. Do they know your name?
Which guys?
Your guys' portfolio. I don't want to mention them. Okay,
Sure,
I was thinking. So they hearing you now trading. They be like, ah. So our body man here is. How come he doesn't say anything?
No, they know. They know me. They know. No.
Okay.
They know my spec, so.
Okay, cool. I need to fix your dates for our what's it called as well? Conversation. I just haven't done it yet.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. We already got approval, so.
That's good. Well, AGRI. I'm looking at AGRI as well. Problem is when you want to trade, when you want to day trade especially, you only want to look at a few. You don't want to look at so many.
2 trades and 3 marks.
Keep your eyes on just a few.
Yeah.
And do not gamble, honestly.
Yep.
Yeah, ocean trading is so easy, isn't it?
Yeah, really, really easy. It's like ABC. Just,
Where are those guys? I need to get those guys here again. Where are they? Where are the portfolio guys? Get them to join me now.
You can place a trade and in the next 30 seconds, you are down 5%. The guy doesn't know.
Oh, God. Tell
He
me
doesn't
about
know.
it. Tell me about it. It's
Wow.
just crazy. It's
At the
crazy.
same time, you can place a trade and the next 5 minutes, you're up 10%.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah, it's mad. God help us.
yeah.
I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do. I'm just trying to be careful.
Okay, I'm not sure now. It's like I'm going to, because I'm looking at the charts myself, and
so what's your trading style when it comes to trading? Do you have an edge?
yes, I do.
Okay. So
Sorry,
I was just gonna say, how do you plan to jump in?
Number one, I usually take a look at the volume, and then and then definitely I look at the general market and see what's happening. But usually, if I'm going to day trade, I get in the first 30 minutes of trading, I'm in and I'm out. That's all for the day.
That's
I
good.
can't hold for longer than that. So I'm usually
because they tend to come back down eventually,
yes,
don't they?
Yeah, yes. So, and for me, I've not been able to do more than 2. If I have to, like I can't do more than 2. Most of the time, I do just 1. I get in, if just 1% or 2, I'm out. I'm not greedy. 1% or 2, I'm out. So usually I can do big stuff, 10,000, 15,000, 1%, 2%, I'm out. That's
people don't realize, and $15,000 straight away.
Yeah, and I'm out.
Big amounts, okay.
Yeah.
And that's
so I'm
actually
usually
really good.
Very, very careful before I do that. So even if it's just 1%, I'm out. On lucky days, I might be spot on, but sometimes I'm obviously not lucky too. Like yesterday, we saw what happened with AMC. It came down from like 9% down and closed at 6% green. So, but then I don't mind. I don't care. So it's once I get my 1% or 2%, I'm out. And change that to Naira, it's good for me.
I mean, 1% of $10,000 is a lot of money.
Yeah, I'm out.
And that's the thing. If you go in with a big volume, instead of people going with $100, $200.
Yeah, I'm playing with profits. So.
Yeah, profit is profit, right?
Mm-hmm. So to latch on your strategy, so the 1%, is it both ways, up or down, or?
No, he doesn't short. 1% up.
Up.
Oh, you mean when does it cut his loss? So when do you cut your loss then? When it comes to cutting your loss?
Oh, okay. For cutting losses, since I'm playing on profits, actually, I can go 5%. I have no problem. But the moment it's exceeding, I'm out. Like I'm out. It's free money I'm trading on, so it's money that I've gotten in the past. It's not my personal money. So, but 5% I'm out.
It's your profits.
Yes.
Okay.
As in 5% down, I'm out. Profit 1%, 2%, I'm out.
When it comes to profit, CARV is running. CARV is running. Do we have CARV in portfolio?
I'm checking that now. I was actually checking before I got
CARV.
This it looks, volume is high on CARV, right?
The volume is quite high.
And it's not on portfolio.
It's not.
I just checked now. It's not there.
Okay. Cover Banco.
Market cap is, yeah.
Oh no, it's not portfolio. Market cap is less than $1 billion. So yeah.
This is a black
15
stock.
million. That's cool.
Yeah, so this is probably going to make another heavy run.
You see, AMC came up to about 1% again and dropped from like 2.5%. So I think I'm going to just 30 minutes.
You want to?
Yeah, I'm tempted, but I don't know. Let me, 1 sec.
CRV is very low in terms of liquidity, guys. No, AMC's got a leg here. I think there's a chance of AMC making a run, actually. So without having to gamble. So it's actually below what we can trust, to be fair. Okay, 47, 48. But you can see, no, AMC is good. It's made a cross here.
Yes,
so for very short-term traders, seems very good. But you see, the trading you get involved with, that's what most people tend to avoid, which is the first 15, 20 minutes. But you said you actually get in during that time. It's actually making a run.
Yep.
And the volume is not great compared to the average volume, but
yeah, we've seen higher volumes definitely from AMC.
What do you say?
Volume generally has reduced on all those meme stocks, which
they have AMC, drastically.
Yeah,
they have drastically. I think this kind of market right now, you have to be taking your profits, otherwise you will be shot dead in the leg. You'll be shot dead in the leg if you don't take profits. For me right now, I'm literally, yeah, I think it's good to hold some cash. Of course, carry on investing, stay invested, and yeah. So it's quite funny, Oshin. So when it comes to profits, you get out after 1%. When it comes to loss, you let it later on to 5%. Why is that?
Yeah, because now I'm doing large number, and now most of these stocks it can just drop 1% or 2% within a few seconds. I don't want it to just go ahead and sell the stocks I have there, so I can let it ride below 5%. But upward trends, I'm okay with 2%. Really, 2% for me, it's fine for a few minutes. So for downward trend, like I said, it can go down pretty fast and rise pretty fast. So I think, in fact, some days I give 10%. Some days I do 10%.
10% loss.
Loss, yes.
Wow.
Some days.
So I was just thinking, why don't you let your profit run more than 1%?
More than 1%. But
sorry, I'm curious. What platform do you use to trade? Is it Fastfolio?
Yeah, I use Fastfolio.
Interesting.
Yep. Yeah, $25,000 and above. You have nothing to worry about.
$25,000. You mean
equity? No pattern day trading. Yeah. So.
Oh, PDT. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Actually, it doesn't apply to you.
Yep.
Am I right? PDT doesn't apply to you because you.
Yes, it doesn't.
You've literally covered that space. Okay. Just thinking, wondering what, yeah, so AMC is trying to build. It's not building yet. Let's see what Carve is doing. Whoa, Carve is, wow. Can you see this? Unstoppable Carve. And it's just about half of the average volume yet so far. Wow. Carve is unstoppable, people. Who else? Who here is trading CAV? It's a CAV. So
that's
who's got CAV in their portfolio?
That's 70% already.
What do you say?
So that's about 70%. 8% up already today. So
Yeah, 75%. This thing is going to. Well, this is still going to run. Still got room. Yeah, it's not going to get tired anytime soon. But look at that. It's left it in the. It ran from here and it's run. Yeah. Well, Calm still got room to go. Wow. Gani, what are you trading?
just looking at my portfolio. I think basically these days, what I've been doing for the past 2 days is, I think last week I sold some stock just to kind of average down back on them. So I sold some, and now I'm using the money to average down some of my holdings.
Okay. So you sold some stocks and then you're averaging down with the money. Okay, that makes sense. Well, I mean, to be honest, I think that age-old debate, which is better, swing trading or day trading. The money is in swing trading, really and truly. AMC is not holding yet. AMC is struggling to hold, as you can see, but they won. But look at that. I mean, let me just look at. I don't know. There's one of my favorites which I'm not using right here. And I need to one of my favorite indicators. Okay, AMC is actually in a very safe zone to get in. Sorry. Pardon me, guys, sorry. I have some water here.
I just did at 46.79. It's not there yet. 100 shares.
Oh, you set a limit?
Yes, I did.
See, why did you set a limit for 46?
Okay. Okay, let me do that.
Why? Why did you set a limit?
Oh, okay. Why? I thought you said why didn't I?
No. Why did you set a limit? Why?
Okay, because it's obviously trading around that figure right now. It's trying to break. I don't know if it can go up or down. I don't know. Let me check it.
I can. So if you look here around this point, so this is the level. Can you see this level here? This is the level it's trying to break
past. Yeah.
Yes. But it's trading within this level. But if you actually look here, this is the point. If you want to be a day trader, of course, this is a point. This is actually a safe point to get in and then out. But this is not a good trading zone. But I think when it comes to meme stocks don't really respect what's it called? They hardly respect the market. And when it comes to strategies, it's just very hard. But yeah, I will say 46 is around here, this level here. It's so crowded. But what price do we have here? 43, 48, 46. Oh, yeah. So this is the key level here for you around this point. Yeah, 46 here. Oh, it's quite safe actually. But what you want to be looking at is this is the average here, and this is the points where you want to be looking. This two lines. So between these two lines. But I can't see. Well, it's not doing bad. It's not doing bad. But can you see? It's trying to break through. But on the long run, it's saying it's not very good. Can you see this red thing here? So we just have to be patient and keep watching AMC. I said what's this one saying, Carv? Carve is going to get tired, but it looks like Carve is going to make another run. People, what's the strength? Oh, Sava. Sava is one of the biggest regrets I had. Last year, I had Sava from $3 or something. Cassava, let's have a look at cassava. Oh boy, Carve is gonna run again. Do we have it here? It's just trying to open multiple. Cassava Sciences, oh boy, wow. Can you see cassava? So cassava is actually good. Cassava is good. Okay, so who's trading cassava then? Anyone here trading cassava? Wow, this is amazing. This is just that stock. I think the minutes, everything is actually just trending up here. And the minute ARK got involved, it just became amazing. Am I the only one in the room? Anyone here watching the wonders of cassava? Okay. Sorry?
I said you're not the only one in the room.
Amazing. Oh, Andrew, you're trading cassava. Well done. Okay. I'm in ASTR. Yeah, AMC is still struggling to break. Carve is definitely going to have to make another run. And I'm sure Carve is going to be the winner for the day. HOFV, this got tired a little bit. And cassava, Andrew, what price did you get in cassava? Just give me a second, guys. Andrew, what price did you get in cassava? Where you going? Andrew's still here. Okay. VETS, is that VETS the stock or VETS the coin? Which VETS? Okay. Let's have a look. Oh, you got into Cassava 101. Fantastic, bro. Well done. Let me just. So let's have a look at what VETS is doing. Did you say VETS the stock or VETS the? Just give me a second. One minute. Okay. So somebody wanted me to have a look at that. And is that VET Energy? Sunday. VET Energy right now looks quite weak, so I don't see anything we can do there with that. Seems a bit quiet. Is anyone trading anything today? Right, let me just let me hunt for more opportunities. But before I do that, this is looking a bit tired now. It's gonna make another run, or it's gonna have to test this level again before it starts to make another run. So let's just have a look over a few days. 5 days. Okay, so before CAV makes another run, it's gonna have to test. So we're expecting CAV. So here, it broke this support level. So we're gonna have to wait for CAV at this point first before we even test it at all. Okay, and then let's see what he does again later today. But wow, but is he gonna touch 39 again? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I like your approach to risk, Mr. Oshi, with AMC.
Yeah, I'm looking at the 1 minute chart now. And I think, I don't know, can you take a look at the chart again, AMC?
Yeah. Let me just take this off. Yeah, over 1 minute. This is 1 minute.
What do you think? Look at the volume. I don't know.
Yeah, the volume is not really increasing.
Mm.
Not at all. It's not really moving up yet.
Have last
Can you see it's stuck at 12 point, was it 12.3 earlier? Yeah, so I think we need to smoothen it a little bit and let's just increase the time frame. 12.397. So once the volume is actually stuck like this sometimes, just it's actually really good because all of a sudden it might just mean they're doing a bit of loading and then boom, the next thing you're gonna see is either gonna gap up or it's gonna gap down. Yeah. But you got to look at the trend, and right now the trend is not very good because over the last few days you can see, yeah, they say trend is your friend, right?
Yeah.
That's what it's been forming. So, but of course, you're not interested in holding it for days. You just want a quick in and out. So this is the little trend you want to test, something like this. So TI is in the room, right? This is what you want to test.
It's dropping again.
So this is the volume. So you need to see hold and some key support level. I can't really see. I can't see it yet, but we can watch it.
It's around the 46 something mark.
Yeah, you probably should test 46. Where is my ASTR? Okay, ASTR 1.35. So this is actually just running as this is a sympathy to space, of course. So because I can't see any reason why this is running. See space launch startup Astra to debut on, oh, okay, that was on the 30th of June. So nothing more. So I can't really see any reason why this is running. Other than that, what else do we have? 6.5. Okay, so if we're going to look at this over 30 minutes, this is actually not too bad. I'm expecting this to test, well, can it go to 16? Don't know. Let's see. I mean, the other thing, good thing is we can actually compare this to space. What's space doing today, by the way? Oh, space here right now. Space is down 3%. So this is meant to run as a sympathy to space. Well, it's not doing a lot right now. Okay. So ASCR has been okay so far. Jivo is another one I was looking at. Jivo's been coming down lately. And I do have, a few people who are well invested in Jivo. So AMC is still down, Jivo is down, Carve is down, well, it's up 60% almost. HOFV, it's up. Let's see. VNTR. The guy told me to have a look at VETS. VETS. I think I saw something about VNTR, the pre-market. Whoa. Okay. This looks like a dead cat's bounce, to be honest. I like VNTR. I like VNTR. I like something that's still got a bit of room to run. So remember we said swing trading is where the money is, and VNCR. Just looking. I'm trying to look at the fundamentals as well. Okay, someone decided to sit out, not to make any move. I actually do like VNCR. I don't know if do we have this on the watch list? VNCR is a good one, by the way, for good entry. Entry from about 4. This is really good, VNCR, for a good swing trade. Yeah. Entry of 4 to 4.5. I like this VNCR. I think it's this is going to be a good one to watch it slowly grow, and that's it. So yeah, so I think VNCR is a good one. Guys, the markets right now, it's not favoring traders or investors. So learn to hold some cash for yourself. That's what I will say. So I'm actually trying to see if I can, if I can preserve cash, by all means I will. But the market right now has been, it's been a bit funny. I've got somebody who bought Ford, and Ford has actually just been down for a good 3.5, 4 months. So consistently losing money for 4 months. But I do like VNTR. I do like this for a swing trade. I'm not talking long term, I'm talking the odd upward 1, 2, 3%, gradually. So VNCR is a good one. Well done, Nikki, for that one. Okay, let's see what's popping in the market. So I'm just gonna see what's popping generally. So guys, remember, you don't have to force a trade. You need to make sure. Yeah, VNCR also got an upgrade as well, just 2 days ago. An upgrade of 450. by UBS. So if you're not with us in the trading, in the mentoring club, then of course, it might just take a little bit more. But yeah, for VNTR, I've just announced that in the group. So VNTR is actually good. Tellurian. Let's have a look at Tellurian. Somebody's just asked about Tellurian. I like VNTR. Tellurian, what do I think? Tellurian is growing on me. This is actually a good one. I don't know if, no, I think Motley Fool keep talking about Tellurian as well. 1.6 billion market cap, 643,000. Okay, so because I'm a techno fundamentalist, even though traders don't look at the fundamentals, I love to look at the fundamentals as well, a little bit, just to back me, because when I'm wrong, you know, I still want to see that I make some progress in the markets. So Tellurian, they had a buy rating with a PT of 8. Okay, B. Riley Securities. But Tellurian has been ranging pretty much for a while now. But if I'm going to trade Tellurian on a short time frame, okay, 4.3. Yeah, this is something that I do like this. I just don't like the sector. I know it's an oil and gas, isn't it? But for a very short time frame, this is growing. I would love this 200 moving average to be a bit lower, you know, but Tellurian is one that's growing, and I will say it's a good one as well. Do you want to jump in now? I wouldn't think so, because I can't see anything moving. You know, if you want a very short trade, you need to see something that's already on the run. You need to time it perfectly. You know, they say you say you're a sniper, don't you? And I can't see that with Tellurian right now. But let's see. Let me just handle it once. Okay, someone to have patience with AMC. Actually, it's been growing as well. Oh, you are right. 47.8 now. Yeah, AMC's actually been. Yeah, I mean, like I said, for a very short time trade, why not? You might just keep watching this and let's see what it does. But yes, you're right. I mean, if it's probably going to break 48. If I'm just going to look at where the price are just populated. Tia, are you here?
Yes, yes.
Good. So AMC is not very strong in this zone. Can you see that? That's the problem. So it's not very strong. So it's struggling, really struggling. And that's why you can see the price is very slow. And especially for the 754, look at that. Look at all this area. It's very quiet. And the volume is very mixed also. So the volume is very mixed. So, but you need the market to be boring, because that's when you will make money. But really and truly, AMC is going to 56. The way I'm looking at this, 56. So you want to be very patient before you jump in, though. Okay. But yeah, but AMC seems strong. Going to be, yeah. Well, I can't believe this one meme stock has actually been able to hold its price, its value Yeah, it's at 48 now. I did say it's going to 56, but wow.
It's supported by quite a number of YouTubers.
It is, which is a shame, really. This is one big regret. I was in AMC at $2.50, and I just I never went back. To be honest, for me, once something is 48, AMC is marching, but Ocean, you want to be careful. You've got a big amount to play with here. You don't want to be down and be stuck. Tellurian is down. AMC is supported by a lot of YouTubers. They call themselves activists. They want to take power away from. They want to wrestle power away from the hedge fund managers. So, yeah. But again, I'm out of ASCR now, guys. Yeah, down again to 47.90. Shiva is down. Tellurian is down. CARV is down. Wow, literally, this was down to 34 early on. HOFV is down as well. Okay. I like Mara for good swing or long term, if I can say. I really like Mara for a good swing or long term. But this kind of market right now doesn't care about what you like. It's just doing his own thing. So, what are people buying? Let me just see what the market is saying. Sorry about this. I don't know. It feels like I'm dancing around. So Tellurian is down. I'm going to look for opportunities and I'm going to snipe for opportunities. So guys, you have to understand, 47.65 AMC now. So AMC is struggling to hold. So what do we have? CARV is down. STMP, my people, STMP. So let me look at STMP. Stamps.com, this had a really good catalyst as well. 63%, wow. I'm not one to be jumping on trades once they've left me, but wow. Let me check the other one. DM, remember we said we like this at what price, guys? $10. Tia, can you see this? Yesterday, it left us. Who got in at 10? I was hoping to get it a bit cheaper yesterday, because the market was down generally yesterday, and now it's at 10.64. What's happening? Nothing. I can't see anything. Let me just look for prospects. That's our job, isn't it? Guys, if you want to be a day trader, you will need to have what they call the eyeball test. You need to have your eyes on the screen all the time, scanning for opportunities constantly. CARV yesterday, it did 217%. So I think people probably, I don't know if people are expecting to do the same, but it's just not one I will jump in right now. But let's see. So the LMFA as well, this one got tired. Guys, you don't have to, remember, you don't have to trade everything or every time. Okay. But what you want to be is learn to be a sniper. So 6. Okay. CARV. I'm saying going to 40. CARV should hit 40. But guys, do not jump on it. It's quite dangerous, my people. It's really dangerous. Swing trading is calmer. Day trading, it looks stressful. No, it doesn't look stressful. He's very stressful. It's very stressful. If you know how to read the markets, then you will do it. But some people have been doing some day trading. I think Jessica, you day traded MITQ yesterday, right?
Yes, I do.
And you turned what? 50%, something like that?
Yes, it did. 58.
58%. Unbelievable.
Yes.
How dare you? Well done. ZME. ZME is another one here. So here, let's just wait for this. DM, if DM hits $10, guys, this to me is a no-brainer. ZME, but I don't think it's going to hit that amount today. Okay.
Hello.
Oh. Okay, let me just
Hello.
see if this. Yeah, hi.
Okay, I want to ask, which platform are you using to check the charts?
For the charting, this is a trading view.
Okay, trading view. Okay.
METX. METX is very good, guys, and ZME is very good. You see, the minute I saw ZME, I came here, and now I'm looking at this Edu. So, but let me tell you something, guys. Yeah, I know they're going to move, and I've been talking about this for a while now as well to guys in the mentoring club. One thing you have to understand is that markets, like I always say, they move as a bunch. They move as a bunch. So it looks like this is all Chinese. So it looks like the Chinese education stocks are moving right now. Let me see. So let me just compare. I'm expecting them to be the same. Oh, this is the one that, okay, this is space. Why did I have space? I need to close space. Per month. Okay, so, sorry guys, give me a second. My phone is ringing. Hi. What's up? Hi. Sorry, I just had to take a quick phone call. So I'm just looking at this. I'm thinking, what opportunities do we have in the markets today? What opportunities do we have today to trade? And so far, this is down. You see, AMC cannot even break for the 7. Edu, what's METX saying? So ZME, this one here is just one of our favorites, guys. 0.82. I tend to fancy this at this price. This is just like a really, really obvious price to trade. But the problem is it's not receiving anything. 0.82. Okay, so Metex seems an obvious one. You decided to stay out. Yeah, no, that was a fake out. It wasn't a break. That was AMC. It didn't break through. Sometimes you have to understand that you have to stay out, guys. And this one as well. This one got tired, but I believe this is still gonna go. This has a lot of yeah, potential to go through. AMC. So meme stock, I tend to usually avoid it, but if anybody wants to trade it, there you are. Metex. Can't see, yeah. Tel broke further down. So I'm still struggling to find opportunities. We have quite a few that are moving. Oh, NEGG moved again today. NEGG. Okay. I was in this a while back, and yeah, NEGG. NEGG. NEGG, I'm not sure if it's tired, but if we, well, let me just, where's my Oshi? I'm trying to use the candle for now. Okay. So everything that broke through today, they've all gone a bit tired. GALT, okay. So we're gonna keep watching this one here. NEGG, we don't just get in yet. So what I can spot is, remember we're only interested in today, but look, NEGG forming higher highs, okay? Forming higher highs. So I'm expecting this again to keep going. So, and at what points? So that's all I can see here. And this is, so I need it to be committed. And it looks like he has committed. Okay. So, yeah. Right. Come to us, NEGG. Just come back to us. If this can come here to us, that'll be very good. I need to see, why is it running though? Why is it running? Is it an Alibaba play? Wow, is it Chinese? NEGG, is it Chinese? What's everyone playing today? Or are you guys just watching me? CARV, PT, don't tell me you're in CARV, Justina. Um, 35, yeah. So this is still struggling around this point, but we just need this to keep going. Is that what, 35? Even though, to be honest, the market hasn't really got a good look on this CARV. So, but I'm expecting, what you want CARV to do is, you want CARV to break this zone. It's struggling around this point here, and if you can't break it, then we can't really call a price. So we're just going to be patient for it. Let's be patient and watch this zone. So you see 36, okay. It's going. I mean, I can see CRV going to 40, but let's just be patient with it. But you don't want to jump on this one here. I don't know why it's running, because it's been a multiple day runner. Oh, can you see it was halted today? It was halted earlier on today as well. So yeah, because it was running too fast. So you want to be careful when something is running too fast. Then you don't want to you don't want to get caught in the halts. Okay. EMC's already dying. Metex lost the steam. NEGG as well. Yeah, like I said, I want you to keep coming down here. Preferably, I would like to get it around 51, but not sure if it's going to come to 51. But let's watch it at 52 before we could make a move. Ah, you've been in CRV since yesterday. Wonderful. Okay, so if you've been in since yesterday, you made another 63% today. Amazing. I think start looking at you know, sealing your exit. Oh, CRV is now 37. Yeah, this is going to go to 40. This is going to go to 40, but watch it. The minute you get to 38, start thinking about taking your profits. AMC is losing steam. Metex, of course. Instead of Metex, I was meant to be checking ZME. ZME. So 11%. It looks like it's a okay. ZME is looking to build strong. I can't really see much yet. Well, let's keep watching. yeah, 30 minutes is when the rush is in. So a lot of people like that. Yeah, amazing. Okay. So I asked a question on the team, the guys in Passfolio. Let's see. So the question was, a man bought a book for $50 and he sold it for $60. And then he bought the same book. He bought it back for $70 and then he resold it for $80. How much did he make? Again, a man bought a book for $70 and he sold it. Sorry, a man bought a book for $50. He sold it for $60. And then he bought the same book for $70 and he sold it for $80. How much did he make? If you get it right, you will be a good trader. If you don't get it right, just keep investing. So a man bought a book for $50 and in Passfolio, the guys haven't got it right yet. And they are looking at me saying, what am I doing? Somebody said $10. No, you're wrong. A man bought a book for $50 and he sold it for $60. He then bought the same book for $70, okay? And he sold it for how much? For $80, yeah. So he went from 50 to 60, and then he bought the same book for $70, and then he sold it for $80. How much did he make? So if you tell me, I think you are liable to be a good trader. Okay, CARV. I'm watching this. HOFV, wow, this lost steam heavily. HOFV is coming down. This is going to come down to 340, guys. Bless you. HOFV is coming to 340. So, guys, let's see. Somebody, Tia, you said $10. Somebody said nothing. Somebody said $10. Let's see. Okay, I've got my daughter here, someone in primary school, year 5, telling me it's $10. And I'm laughing because she's going to be a really good investor. Let's see if she's going to be a good trader. AMC, breaking hearts since 1971. Guys, are you enjoying my commentary? Somebody said $20, 2 different trades. Ah, Bing Pay, is that the same Bing Pay? I said I was going to get back to you. Don't break your neck. Is that the same Bing Pay? I hope it's the same Bing Pay. I was meant to get back to you, Bing Pay. We are struggling with what's it called? We're struggling with making a deposit on the UK, Binance in the UK. So they suspended, suspended everything really. Okay, STMP. Well, the thing is, a lot came up and they all just dumped heavily. So TBLT, STMP, TBLT. I mean, sometimes you just want to go for this one's is not really TBLT. This one's the tough build. Wow, wow, wow. This is just ran from 0.72. We ran from 1 to 120. Okay. Oh, not the same Bing Pay. Okay. No, it's not you. They're the Bing Pay in the UK. Okay, you said the guy who bought the book at 50 sold it at 60, and then they bought the same book at 70, sold it at 80. You said he made $20. No, you're wrong. You're wrong, Bing Pay. You're wrong. You are wrong. Sorry. See how you said now he made minus $10. No, you're wrong. Oh, she knows the answer. But he doesn't want to say. Don't tell them. Don't tell them the answer. Don't tell them the answer. $10. Toby, you said he made $10 on each trade. No, Toby, you're wrong. Right, guys. Before I turn this to a riddle house, riddles and jokes, we're here to trade. And TBLT is strong, my people. So TBLT is actually very strong. I see this going to go past 120. I see this hitting 120. Well, TBLT. But the problem is all these things have just made crazy run. This is not what we want to be jumping on. Okay. But there's a big demand for this one here. So let's find something else that's not tired. I hate the fact that I can't really trade sometimes. But that's how the game goes. Yeah. Very, very strong TBLT. Look at that. It's just forming bigger sense. Maybe I can leave you with one that you can trade. But guys, you have to remember every stock will move, but not all of them will be tradable. I always say this. You want a tradable stock. You want a tradable. Oh, PBI. How long have we been on this? PBI. Came back again today. PBI. Picking boys. This is, well, PBI. I remember calling this at $5, guys. Now it's at $9.58. Wow. And what does that say about our mind when it comes to investing? Okay. PBI, 970, of course. $10. I want something that hasn't really made much run, and I can we can, you know, we can call it and have a good assessment. See. Now, Toby, you're wrong. It's not $10 on each trade. So the man bought a book at $50, sold it at $60, and then he bought the same book at $70 and he sold it at $80. How much did he make? While we're doing that, let's find something we can trade. PBI, I like you, PBI. And let's find something. ALF. 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 ALF is go, oh, XELA again, my people. Now we're talking about this. Okay. Problem is the setup is really great, but this has been running for a few days. But we're not here to keep it over, to leave it overnight, are we? We're here to just do our buy. This got to 350 yesterday, just in case anybody remembers, and was struggling to break $3 2 days ago. Hey, Ajoke, the man made zero. Someone said $20 minus tax. No, Ajoke said zero. Well done, well done. You got it right. You got it right. So the man didn't make any money, guys. Ajoke, do you want to talk? Do you mind explaining your process? So, okay, well, Apple has got $21 million at buys, but just 0.81, just less than 1%. ASLN, okay, ANY, ETMB, I was in this. No, I wasn't in it. I was looking at it yesterday. LKCO. Wow. AZZ. I like this. AZZ. Just don't say what, don't say it out. Okay, Oshin, you'll be right back. Wonderful. AZZ, guys, AZZ. Just don't say what, don't say it out, don't say it out. But AZZ is still got some legs to run. See what it is. So AZZ is trading beyond, above the zone. AZZ is a bit tired as well, to me, to be honest. So you can see on a day like this that the market is actually moving. Sometimes the best thing you can do is just do nothing, okay? The best thing you can do is nothing and just let your portfolio breathe, okay? I've seen a lot, but I can't see which one I can buy. So again, guys, sometimes you just have to let your portfolio breathe and do nothing, do nothing. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say, do nothing. I didn't even look at Sava and see what it's still doing. SAVA. Yeah, AMC, you disappointed yourself eventually. SAVA. Oh, stock at 110. So as you can see, the market moved heavily, but all of these things eventually got tired and they just stalled. Does that make sense? So unfortunately, I don't see what we can trade here. Can't see. And I've been here for an hour again. So guys, should I call it a day so I can focus on my trading? I've actually been looking at the markets, and the market hasn't really given me much opportunities. Right, let me just have a conversation with one or two people. How is everybody? Pastor, talk to me. Taufik, Bimpe, how are you looking at the markets? Ganil, our appointment is tomorrow. So, people, before we call it a day, you want to talk to me? Or you just want to look at watching the Wealth Hackers show?
Good afternoon.
Hey, Pastor, hi.
Thanks. So just to say hello to you. You are doing well.
You're doing well. Yes, thank you. So it's okay. It's a bit of a funny market, sir, isn't it?
Yes. So
yeah, it's a bit of a funny market, and we can't really see anything. To things are moving, but they just stopped and they all paused. It's a difficult market to trade this year. Everything that's moved, they made the initial move and they just paused there. But CARV went to 35 and now it's at 37. I don't know if our friend Justina is still here. Justina, are you still in?
I'm still here.
Are you still in CARV?
Yes.
Did you break even though?
Yes, I did.
Oh, so you're now counting your money.
No, not much though.
Not much. Well, so Saba broke at 111. But profit is profit, right?
Yeah, profit is profit. So do you suggest I should wait till 40 or just jackpot now?
For people listening, jackpot means run. So let me just have a look at CARV.
Mm-hmm.
So the market is not very strong. That's the other problem. So what you should do is, I think I'm going to you should lock in your profits, set a stop loss. Okay. Protect your profits. So if it goes up, fine. And you could keep moving that stop loss up. And if it gaps down, then it's going to break for your profits and it's just going to automatically sell. The stop loss is going to kick you out anyway.
Yeah.
That's what I think you should do.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, people. Can we call it a day? Okay. Thank you, everybody. This is Toby. Just in case, guys, if you don't really know what you're doing, feel free to join me. We have the stock market course, which is going to run tomorrow over the weekend. And this for people who want to have some knowledge on trading and investing. So it's not a lot of money. And the course also includes, you also get a month mentorship as well from the Wealth Hackers. So if you really think you want to have an insight, you want to understand how the market works, we do both fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Feel free to join us. But otherwise, if you know what you're doing, then that's fine too. Just keep getting more experience in the market. NEGG, somebody's just asked about, how about NEGG before we go away? NEGG is trading right now at 52.79. Again, that's the thing about the market. So there are times whereby, some people they love to trade at the open, which is good. NEGG is just stuck and it's not moving. It's just stuck. So while I think it's a good one to trade, but until it moves further, I don't know. This has potential really for, and a lot of you will not believe me, but this looks like it can go to 70. It really will. It looks like it will go to 70, but I think it's Chinese, so that's one of the dangers with it as well. It's being Chinese. I really do not trade Chinese stocks now anymore. Well, I don't invest in Chinese stocks. I would rather just trade them. And the charts definitely looks good. Looks like it's going to go to 70. There's a lot of build up. But yeah, it definitely will hold that money, that price. But for today, if you want me to have a look for today, I can see this going breaking 58 today. Definitely breaking 58 today. But right now, there's a big support, which there's a big support here, which it has to break. As you can see, this key area, it struggles around this key area. Okay. Sorry. Don't know why I'm doing this, but yeah. Yeah, so it's struggling around this area. As you can see, it goes up, it rejects it. Comes back, it rejects it. So it's struggling around this area. So what you need to understand is if you can break your 50, if you can break 54 here, then that's a good sign. It's gonna move up. But beneath that, well, the lower zone here is about 48. That's a big range, but yeah. So I'll be looking at between 48 and 54. If you can go way below 48, just cut your loss there and move. But if you can break 54, which is looking like it will, then of course this is going to go to 58. That's what I can see. Okay, AMC is going down. Oh, AMC. Yeah, it couldn't break 15. Yeah, even 46 doesn't seem safe anymore now, as you can see. For me, 44 right at this point is what I'm going to say. 44. I mean, anything meme stock, you know, it's not profit. It's not promising because it doesn't even respect the fundamentals or technicals. So, all right. On that note, guys, thank you. Well, if you want to join me tomorrow on the Wealth Hackers Investing Program, again, like I said, it's only, oh, thank you. You join this every day. Thank you. So it's only $100. It's not a lot of money, guys, for you to learn how the market works, you know, from someone who's been there, and of course, how to learn to trade and invest. And you get a 1-month mentorship with it. So feel free to join me. Other than that, thank you and God bless. Take care, buddy. Bye-bye.